Hey, this is Ed with GI Tactical, and here we are at the Red Wolf tent. So let's see what kind of goodies they have here. Alright, so they've got like a little hospitality area here. It's really cool. They've got a mixer. It's not a disco, but apparently there's going to be a disco later on tonight.
I'm listening to this music, I'm like, yeah. My music's like...
So here's the cool thing, I'm hearing another accent that sounds a lot like mine. Let's see if we can trace this down.
From Arizona.
So say hi everybody.
Hey guys.
Always smiling face.
It's heavy duty.
So we'll follow up here with some more fun videos.